Hello, welcome to Earth System Science. My name is Danielle Simons-Cheney. I often am called Simons by the students, and I want to welcome you to our classroom. It's kind of hard to see back there, but this is where Earth System Science happens. I also want to take you on a tour of our virtual classroom, and you can, as a parent or guardian, access this by going to the Colchester website and clicking on Directory. From here, you can search for my name, Simons, and pull up my website right here. Once you're here, go ahead and click on the planets. And this is my virtual classroom where you can see everything you possibly would need to know about our class. Our syllabus is here, as well as our semester at a glance that goes through what we're going to be covering this year. So I highly recommend, if you want to see exactly what we're doing and the units we're covering, go ahead and click on that. Each day my agenda is posted here so students can see exactly what we do in class. However, their weekly learning plan is here, and they will receive this inside of Google Classroom at the start of every week. Now, Google Classroom really is the hub that I ask students to go to, so even though this virtual website is here, this virtual classroom is here, they will not be going to this. They will be going to Google Classroom to find all of the materials, links, web, and assignments that they need for class. This is also where they will be turning in their work. Feel free to email me at any point, and I look forward to working with your student and hopefully get to meet you in person or virtually at some point this year. Thanks for stopping by.